Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rugrats C6 YouTube channel. Today's gonna be a little bit different style video for me anyways. I'm gonna be doing a vlog style video, going to a Cars and Coffee, or they call it Corvettes and Coffee because it's all Corvettes. Obviously this is a C6, so it's not a normal C6, but it's still a Corvette. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you through that, get a little driving POV. I got my POV hat on, so I'm gonna do that. First thing I do, I always keep this car just in the battery tender because I drive it like maybe once a week, if that, and it's usually just on Saturdays for car shows. So I do that, I leave it on the tender just so the battery doesn't get low. And then if you are a car guy, you know this. Just peace of mind also can save your day, can save your wallet a lot. You always check your oil. Do a swipe. First, you just make sure there's oil on there, and then you actually check the level. Full mark, oil on the finger. Good to go. All right. It's a 1 minute task that can save you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, especially because this car doesn't have an oil level sensor because it's on a Holly. So I always just check it just to be safe. Obviously, you can tell when you start it up, you have oil pressure if it's low, but still not good to run your engine low on oil. Okay, so to get in the vet cart, I always just put my foot here, sit down kind of on the sidebar, just kind of shimmy in. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'4", so I do that. Power on, fuel pump primes, and wait for the screen to come on. I've noticed that if I don't wait for the screen to come on, sometimes it gets a little finicky. Wait for all the green lights down there. It's on blue because it's not running yet. Yep, battery. AFR, good. Okay. All power off. Engine start. It's really, really loud. Good oil pressure. Rowdy. I accidentally left my garage door open in my wife's car. I don't think my other one's up here. Nope, it's not. All right. Well, get a little bit of idle clip, and then I'll see you guys on the road. The heck? Alright, I forgot to mention, one of the things I love about this car is I had it tuned in where the chop doesn't start until 175, so the engine's nice and warm. It's at 174 right now. Wait for it. It's gonna kick in right here. Starts chopping. It's so sick. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the whole car shakes. It's fucking awesome. All right, onto the road. All right, now we're back on the road. Well, on the road, sorry. Try to give you guys a good POV. This car is very loud. Obviously, it's very, very raw, but it still drives like a normal C6. Like, I know that sounds crazy. Obviously, no windows, no doors and shit, but still drives completely normal. Shifts normal. Still drives like a normal car if you drive it. Obviously, it all depends on your right foot. But I'm gonna stop talking, let you guys enjoy the noise. Listen to this Concept 841 exhaust screen. It's still pretty cold, so I'm not gonna get on it very much, but yeah, we'll just sit here and we'll enjoy the noise and symphony of this V8. That is a big ass crane. Gorgeous day today. Yeah. Car is just a go-kart. It's crazy. I love California traffic. All right, pulling into Corvettes and Coffee. We're out here at Corvettes and Coffee, San Diego. Pulled up, pretty good meet, really cool, right under the underpass and everything. Well, my buddy that has the car right there, he basically not runs the event, but he does a lot of the work here. They do this every Saturday. It's pretty cool. A lot of C8s, C10, obviously my vet, and then there's a couple other Corvettes here, but not a giant turnout, but it's pretty cool. Ended up meeting up with a beautiful, beautiful one of 69. I think it's Inferno Orange GR1 C6. Absolute fucking dream car for me. I would kill to have one of those. Fuck. Damn it. Car is insane. All right, guys. Sorry, I didn't film a lot on the way home. I just was kind of enjoying the drive. I haven't driven it in a while. Plus, there's a lot of cops, and if they see the way my POV hat is set up, they would probably be like, that's, you know, impeded driving or some bullshit California cops would say. So I just didn't test it. I was just like, all right, this is a sign to not test the waters. So I didn't, and I just said, fuck it, I'll just drive home and enjoy the drive. But she's home safe, ran great. I don't know, this car is awesome. I love it, and I wish everyone could experience something like this, because having a 2,600 pound, 515 wheel horsepower go-kart is like every grown man's dream, and this is somehow reality for me. And I am very, very thankful for God, what he's provided for me in my life, my family, my kids, and obviously the toys that I have. This is funny enough, this has a blown up motor in it, so I got to replace that. I'm just going to go Harbor Freight and get a 212 Predator, but that's just my little neighborhood cruiser for when my son rides his dirt bike. I ride this. But yeah, a lot of toys. Lucky, right? I have a giant Hot Wheel collection. This is almost 10 years of collecting. But yeah, I'm very lucky and very fortunate. And you're thinking about, building a exo car or a vet card or something, you should 100% do it, and you will not regret it. I promise you that. One thing you'll regret is if you live in SoCal and you don't have AC. That's like the only thing that I just don't like. I wish I could have AC in this thing, but obviously it would just run right out the car. But still, having some cold air blown on you when it's hot as hell would be nice. But that's like my one regret with this car, is it doesn't have AC. But that's first world problem, so I'm not going to complain too much. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, please do that. And then if you guys have any suggestions what you want to see with the car, please leave the comments below. I respond to all of them. I'm still pretty small, so I can see all the comments, and I try to take your guys' feedback. I appreciate it. So yeah, have a great day. Have a great weekend. Talk to you later.